Hi my love bugs, it's day 2 of 14 days of love. So to conceal my dark spots, I use L.A Girl in the color orange. And then for foundation, I was trying for the first time Revlon Color Stay in the shade 400. It's a little bit light, but I'll show you how I made it work. Then I blend it in with my fingers a little bit, and then I am going to contour one time, and this is how I darken up the foundation a little bit so that it blends a little bit better. So I usually put it on the areas that I want to send back, so like down the sides of my nose, my cheeks, my chin, cover that double chin. Using Sacha Fix It spray, I'm just gonna mist that over my entire face so that the foundation, when I blend it out, it's easier to work with, as well as it will give a nice natural finish. I'm just gonna be using a Real Techniques brush to blend it out, and then I'm gonna use a beauty blender just to make sure that everything melts into the skin. Let that melanin come through, honey. Then I'm gonna be taking L.A Girl Pro Conceal in the color Toast, and I'm just gonna reverse contour as well as put some around my lips and in my smile lines, and underneath my eyes I mix Toast and Fawn like so, and I'm just gonna take my wedge. I do that face because I do not want my smile lines to come through, and I found this method really effective. Then I'm going to be taking the beauty blender underneath my eyes and all the other areas that I highlighted to blend that out. And additionally, I'm going to be taking the brush that I used to blend my foundation just to ensure that everything is seamless. Taking the Pro Powder Foundation palette that I purchased in the Sacha sale a little while ago, I'm going to be taking Tan and Caramel, and I'm just going to set the areas that I highlighted with. Also, on the same palette, I'm going to be taking the 2 darker shades of the palette to contour with. I like mixing the two because it's, I don't know, I just like it like that. And I'm going to be taking spice and honey to set my entire face and just blend in all the different colors on my face so that there are no clear lines of demarcation. And to contour my nose, I'm going to be taking my L'Oreal Super Blendable True Match powder in C7, and I like taking a natural color, the same skin tone as powder, same skin tone as you, so that it doesn't look overly harsh. Then using blush by Sacha in Cabernet, and those 2 highlighter shades from the Carli Bybel palette for highlights. I'm going to be taking those 2 highlight colors down the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, and the inner tear duct. I'm going to be blending out the highlighter shade on my nose and cupid's bow. And I just wanted to throw in these lippies from Sacha, You Only Live Once, as well as Rev It Up. And guys, I forgot to show you that I sprayed my face again with the Fix It spray, and literally this face did not move. I absolutely love my Sacha products that I picked up at this sale. So stay tuned tomorrow, guys. I'll show you how I did my cut crease. Bye.